New just listed home, 12760 Indian Rocks, Road number 579, Largo, Florida, by Larry Fisher from the military veteran team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo at New Atlantis Club spans 1,151 square feet and offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Located on the 3rd floor, the spacious open-plan living and dining areas are perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The well-equipped kitchen features modern appliances and a cozy dining area. The primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and ensuite bath. The 2nd bedroom, equally spacious, offers built-in closet space and is perfect for family members or guests. Additional perks include porcelain tile flooring, a laundry room, and a 2nd full bathroom. Enjoy community amenities like a pool, tennis courts, and a gated entry for privacy and security. Don't miss this opportunity.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.